everyone, it is Carla Stevenné, and today I will be doing a brand new updated hygiene routine. I know you ladies probably want an updated hygiene routine. These are really popular on my channel. I do switch up my products like seasonally and things like that, so I wanted to do an updated one, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. I 100% got you. I'm going to just tell you guys my basic routine. It is nothing extreme. It does not take extreme tactics to smell good, okay, and to stay clean. It does not take extreme tactics. Oh, 1 second. Hello? Guys, sorry for the interruption. Okay, I'm back. All right. But yeah, you guys, it does not take extreme tactics to smell good. Okay? All I ask is for you to take at least a shower daily, even if you do not use or do the exact routine I do. But I'm telling you, you will smell popping. You will stay fresh all day, every day. I don't know what anyone has to say. I don't want to hear anyone dissing my hygiene routine. This is not your hygiene routine. This is not your body. And you cannot smell me, okay? I smell good. So I'm going to tell you guys how I do it. So every single morning you need to be taking a shower. First of all, you're not going to just magically smell good. So when I get in the shower, the start of my routine is I use the Neutrogena Rain Bath Rejuvenating Shower and Bathe Gel. This is the pomegranate one. It smells really good. I also really like their green pear one, I'm pretty sure. It's in my shower, almost gone. But I bought a new one, a bigger one, and this is the pomegranate one. It smells delightful, and I'm sure all of the other smells smell good as well. So that's what I use to wash my body. I will have everything down below in the description box. I also really love, while I'm in the shower, I should say, for shaving, I like to shave every 2 to 3 days, whatever. So this is the Tree Hut Bare Moisturizing Shave Oil. This soothes skin and helps protect against cuts. So I like to use shave oil, and this is for my underarms too. Underarms every other day for sure. And this is just a shave oil. It smells really good. You just spray it out. Well, not spray it out, but it just comes out when you press, and you put it on, and it is in oil, and you use it to shave. Shaving razors I like to use usually have 3 to 4 blades. I don't really get a certain brand in particular, but yeah, that's what I like to do while I'm shaving the shower. So I get in the shower, I shave, then I wash. Alrighty, so this is the Shea Moisture Extra Virgin Olive Oil Ground Coffee Scrub. It's extra moisturizing, and that is a fact. When I use this, my body is unbelievably soft, and if you like the smell of coffee, it literally just smells like coffee. It is very rough on your skin. If you have overly sensitive skin, I would not recommend a scrub like that, but hey, it makes you really soft, and use that once a week and your skin will be super soft like a baby's bum. All right, so when I get out the shower, after I'm done shaving, especially feminine areas, I like to use the Tree Hut Bare Post Shave Soothing Mist. So this helps relieve itchy skin and prevent ingrown hairs, which it does just that. I have been using this product. I will not stop using this product. This is important to spray on after you are shaving because it will literally stop ingrown hairs, and will literally it burns at first a little bit, but it's okay because it is worth it for the results. Your hair will grow in correctly, and it will soothe everything. Now we get into the next steps. We getting through it. Okay, so from there, I like to moisturize my skin. I'm going to show you guys 2 different lotions that I would recommend. So I always recommend cocoa butter. This is Palmer's cocoa butter formula. This is daily skin therapy with vitamin E. It heals, softens, reveals rough, dry skin. 24-hour moisture. Relieves rough, dry skin. So yeah, I really love cocoa butter. Any type of cocoa butter. There's so many different cocoa butter brands you can use. The Palmer's one is overly thick though. I would say I don't like to use it every single day just because it is way too thick. It is literally annoying to get out of the package, but I do love it. It works amazingly. It does take a minute to rub in that one, but there are lots of other good cocoa butters. I also like, this is my favorite right now. This has coconut oil. I love coconut oil and coconut, anything that's hydrating for dry skin is pretty much my go-to lotion. This is Jergens Hydrating Coconut. It nourishes for visibly softer skin with coconut oil and coconut water. This is a dry skin moisturizer. Anything that says dry skin moisturizer is what I use. I don't have dry skin because of what I do, but I don't know. Anything that I use, even for my hair, I like stuff that is extra moisturizing and extra replenishing and things like that. So that's why I like to use the for dry skin things and for dry hair. But yeah, that's what I do. So once I'm done putting all my lotion on, I like to go in with a body mist all over. When I say all over, I will literally take my body mist and spray it on every inch of my body. Body mist smells do not last long, but it leaves a nice scent on your skin, and I feel like it's nice to put on directly after lotion because I feel like the lotion absorbs the smell and it kind of gets in there. This is the Jessica Simpson Fancy Body Mist. You can get this at like Marshall's, TJ Maxx for super cheap. This is literally only like $6.99, so super duper nice. I spray this all over my body after I'm done putting on my lotion. So to add some extra shine, if I want to have like a more sheen to my body or anything, or I'm about to take pictures, or I want to just glow. I use the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter vitalizing body gel oil for healthy glowing skin, and it is super rich in moisture and it restores moistures. And it literally is like taking Vaseline oil and putting it on your skin. So like this, it looks like a little that I use, but I've used this so many times. You literally have to take the smallest amount because it is so oily, and it will leave your body with a nice smooth shine to it. I would focus that on my elbows in particular, as well as my knees if I'm not using it for a certain day, and my shoulders, arms, things like that that are going to be showing. I actually did not put this on today, but this is for when you want that extra boost of glow. Totally recommend it. It is the best product. You don't have to go out buying really expensive oils or gels for your skin, because I promise you this does the trick just well. So now for perfume. Perfume is so important. After I'm done putting on my lotion and my body mist, I always go in with a perfume. Even today, everyday thing, guys. I use the Versace Bright Crystal. I also have the Prada Candy, which I really like. It's like super low, but I'm still managing to get some out. And then I also have the what is it? Jimmy Choo. It's Jimmy Choo something. The Jimmy Choo one isn't lingering and doesn't last very long. The one that lasts the longest for me is the Prada Candy. The Versace, almost dropped the lid. The Versace Crystal Bright smells beautifully. I'm about to respray it, but it does not, nothing has lasted me as long as my Prada Candy. And I think I got on my shirt, but YOLO, I just sprayed on some perfume. What you expect? Yeah, the Prada Candy is amazing. All right, so that is everything for my body. Literally, there's not like tons and tons of unbelievably crazy steps. So then deodorant. So important to have an amazing, strong, good deodorant. I'm going to tell you guys the best deodorant for women. Then I'm going to tell you guys the second best deodorant for women. So the best, by far, I don't care what anyone has to say, I've been through these deodorants, like every brand for women, and I need my deodorant, okay? I need my deodorant. I don't want it to be, when I sweat, it to start smelling or none of that. This is what you need. Secret, clinical strength, visible solid stress response. The stress response will literally react. So say you get stressed out and your armpits start sweating, or you start sweating, or you're getting stressed, or anything. As soon as that sweat starts going to your armpits, the smell starts to come out your armpits of flowers and butterflies. Like, seriously, amazing deodorant. It is stress response. So if you get stressed out, it will react against the smell, and it smells amazing. I'm not even joking. If anyone uses Secret deodorant, you know what I mean. Leave a comment down below. I know y'all know what I mean. It is the best. All right, second best, because the Secret kind of gets expensive. I'm not sure how much this Degree one is, but the Degree Motion Sense in Tropical Rush. It says it's invisible, but none of these deodorants are invisible on black people. Okay, so unless you're light-skinned or something. On me, no matter how invisible, no matter how gel or clear or spray, it is always has a white hue, but it's okay. That is my life. But yeah, this one's really good. It's like second best. It works really good, but I'd retouch on this during the day. This one's just incredible. It's like one and done. This one is incredible, but I'm like extra, you know, you should be really worried about how you smell. This one's all right. It's all right. But it's like second best. It's still very, very good deodorant. I would still use it, but why would I when I got the secret, you know? So yeah, that is my entire hygiene routine. If you have smelling problems, you can literally smell your own odor. I don't want you guys to be sitting there basking in a bad smell when you could just be using my hygiene routine. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel for advice, try on hauls, makeup tutorials, more hygiene routines in the future, and all types of things. Skincare routine, hair care routine. Oh my gosh, you guys know my whole routine. Leave a comment down below your favorite like body washes or your like favorite thing that you use in your routine. I don't need any suggestions for me. This is my go-to routine, but I would like to know what you guys use because I will definitely try your products out and possibly switch up my routine next round. So let me know your like must in your hygiene routine, and thumbs up. All right, subscribe, thumbs up. I think I said it all, and I will catch you guys in my next video.